All right, here's just a standard, easy, sweet deal. It's a local garden center. They do a variety of volume depending on the season, of course, which makes sense. All we did was we just went in and reprogrammed the equipment. We adjusted the rate a little bit. We looked at it and went, okay, they've got equipment that's a little bit old, but it's not old enough to replace. It all works fine. We don't have to replace it, which is common. We can use most of the equipment out there today. Kind of a sidebar on that. Today there is a lot of equipment change, so we want to look at every piece of equipment to make sure it's compliant and safe for the merchant. But in this case, everything was cool. All we did was nip and tuck their rate a little bit. We put about $500 more back in their pocket every year. You know, keep your same terminal you've got. Everything's the same. It runs in our system, and we'll put $500 back in your pocket every year. So it's a sweet way to go about it. And you get a conversion bonus and you get residual on your way to making more and more of your portfolio. It's a standard, sweet, and easy deal. We do these all the time, every day.